In this video, I discussed the various MCQ related to the psychrometric charts, and also you how to use the psychrometric charts. That type of MCQ is also there. Means suppose the dry bulb temperature is increase or decrease, and what is the change in the another properties of the air. So that way we discuss in this details. So first we start from the basic related to the various types of the line on the psychrometric charts. Then we move towards the some difficult levels of the MCQ. The wet bulb temperature lines on the psychrometric chart are curve line. Option is true or a false. So here you see this is the psychrometric charts. Okay, so only psychrometric chart this curve line is there, and this curve line is indicated it is the relative humidity line. Okay, so this sentence is the false. It is not the correct statement because this curve line is the line for the relative humidity. So from a wet bulb line, this inclined line is the wet bulb temperature lines. Okay, so this sentence given is the wrong. The horizontal and uniformly spaced lines on a psychrometric charts indicate the relative humidity. Correct or incorrect? So by default it is the incorrect, because we know that the relative humidity line in the psychrometric chart are the curve lines. But here they saying that line is horizontal and uniformly spaced. So this sentence is the incorrect. Next MCQ. The curve line on the psychrometric charts indicates dry bulb temperatures, wet bulb temperatures, dew point temperatures, and the relative humidity. So we know that these curve lines is indicate this relative humidity. So option D is the correct answer for that. The dry bulb temperature lines on the psychrometric charts are vertical and uniformly spaced, horizontal and uniformly spaced, horizontal and non-uniformly spaced, and curve lines. So we know that on a psychrometric charts, on this x-axis the dry bulb temperature is given. Okay, so here you see the -6, 5, 10, 15, 20 are the dry bulb temperatures. Okay, so constant 25 line is vertical. Okay, so this blue color vertical line passing from 25 is indicate it is the dry bulb temperatures. This is the dry bulb temperature 20. This is dry bulb temperature 15. Then 10. Okay, so what is this line is the vertical line. Okay, so when it is come on the x-axis, then its constant line is verticals. When any parameter given on the y-axis, okay, then y-axis line is the horizontals. Okay, so dry bulb temperature line is the vertical and uniformly spaced. Option A is the correct answer. Before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe the channels for watching the more video related to mechanical engineering. For that you need to visit the playlist. For RIC various link is provided in the descriptions for a MCQ playlist, and the chapter wise playlist is also provided. In a psychrometric charts, dew point temperature lines are horizontals and non-uniformly spaced. Option A is correct or incorrect. So in a psychrometric chart, here you check. Here three things are written: wet bulb temperatures, dew points, and the saturation temperatures. Okay, so this is the line of 100% relative humidity. Okay, and from this part that is a various line is start, means this relative humidity line is going ahead, wet bulb temperature is inclined. Then what is this horizontal lines? So in a graph there is a two type of horizontal lines. One is for the specific humidity and one is for the dew point temperatures. Okay, so here this horizontal line and non-uniformly spaced for a dew point temperatures, the answer is the correct. Okay, so dew point temperature line is starting from here, and the digit for a dew point temperature is given on written here on a 100% relative humidity line. The relative humidity line on psychrometric charts are vertical and uniformly spaced, horizontal and uniformly spaced, horizontal non-uniformly spaced, and the curve line. So which is the relative humidity line? It is the curve line. So option D is the correct answer. The inclined and non-uniformly spaced straight lines on a psychrometric charts indicate the wet bulb temperatures. Agree or disagree? Correct answer is the option A. We are agree, means this sentence is correct. The wet bulb temperatures line are inclined. Okay, here you see this the red color type lines. This is the wet bulb temperature lines. Okay, so it is starting from the saturation curve and inclined and it is non-uniformly spaced. Here you see this is a space is lower, then the space between the two lines is increasing, means it is the non-uniformly spaced lines. So inclined and non-uniformly, then it is called as the wet bulb temperatures line. In a psychrometric charts, specific humidity, moisture content lines are vertical and uniformly spaced, horizontal and uniformly spaced, horizontal and non-uniformly spaced, and a curve line. We know that the specific humidity is given on this y-axis, means on vertical axis, then its line is horizontal. Okay. Now in a horizontal, here two options is given, uniformly and non-uniformly, and the correct answer is the option B, horizontal and uniformly spaced, because that at uniform distance the same value is given. Suppose here 0.02, then 0.04, 0.06, at the same distance is given, that means it is the uniformly spaced. The horizontal and non-uniformly spaced lines on a psychrometric charts indicate dry bulb temperature. So this is the wrong answer, because dry bulb temperature lines are vertical. Wet bulb temperatures, so this is also wrong, because the wet bulb temperatures line are the inclined. Dew point temperatures, okay, so dew point temperatures line are horizontals and non-uniformly spaced. And the specific humidity, okay, so here we feeling the confusions between the option C and D, because the both line are the horizontal, okay, but specific humidity line, okay, it is the horizontal and uniformly spaced, but here non-uniformly is asked. So non-uniformly is asked, then answer is come the dew point, okay, and suppose the question is asked that the horizontal and uniformly line, then the answer is come is the specific humidity. So you need to focus on the very minor words. Suppose from these questions non is removed and your answer is changed to specific humidity. So clear understanding of the psychrometric chart is required, and if you want to study the various types of the line on the psychrometric charts, then I put the playlist on the top right screen of your mobiles from the eye symbols, where you click on the eye symbols, then various playlists is open. So you open the psychrometry and psychrometric process, in which one video is available, the various line on psychrometric charts, in which I clearly explains every line by using the separate psychrometric charts, so you can clearly understand it. The vertical and uniformly spaced lines on the psychrometric charts are there. In a psychrometric charts, there is only one vertical line is there, and it is for a dry bulb temperatures. So option A is the correct answer. As relative humidity increase, now here some difficult MCQ start, okay, you need to focus and you need to draw the various line on psychrometric charts, then you get the correct answer, okay. Now here what they telling, relative humidity increase, okay, the dew point temperatures will be space wet bulb temperature, means it is equal, it is different, it is higher, it is lower, that type of the question is asked. So first we see the MCQ various, what the option is given, it is same, it is lower, or it is higher than that, okay. Now what is the answer? So here you see the psychrometric charts, okay. So what does, we need to reduce the relative humidity, okay. So when we suppose we get first point here and we move towards this side, because here 100% relative humidity is increased here, okay. So we need to increase relative humidity, then what happen? The dew point temperatures will be same as the wet bulb temperatures, or it is lower than or a higher than that. So I think it is the lower than that, because suppose we draw this one line of the wet bulb temperature 25, this wet bulb temperature line is inclined, okay. So here on 25 lines, suppose here it is a 60% relative humidity, here 80%. So we reduce relative humidity up to suppose 30 degree, okay. So on a 25, what is the change is that, suppose at this 100% humidity, the dry bulb and wet bulb and dew point temperatures both are same, even the dry bulb are same, because here you see it is a 25. So at the 100% all three temperatures are same. Now we increase the relative humidity. So suppose we increase up to 30 degree, then what we see? The dew point temperature is the 19 degree, okay. So it is lower than the wet bulb. So what is our answer? It is the lower than that. The relative humidity increase as air get wet, means specific humidity is increased, wet bulb temperature is increased, then relative humidity is decreased. This is the questions, and answer is in true and false. Okay. So what we get? How the air gets wet? We supply some specific humidity, some water vapor, some steam is supplied. Okay. Then air gets wet. When the air gets wet, its wet bulb temperatures are increased. Okay. So here we consider that it is the heating and humidification process. Okay. So this is the arrow, this is the inlet point, and this is the outlet points. Okay. So what you see, the wet bulb temperature is increased. When the air gets wet, its specific humidity is increased. And what is the change in relative humidity? It is decreased. So we see that here at the inlet relative humidity is 50, and at the outlet relative humidity is near the 30. So it is the increase. So this sentence is true. On every sentence, that is a various type of the discussion is given, that is answer is false. But in that questions they are not define any process. Okay. If you consider that is a cooling and dehumidification process is going on, so at that time air gets not get wet because the wet bulb temperature is reduced. So during cooling and dehumidifications, the air gets dry, not it's wet. Okay. So this consideration is wrong at that times. So this is the correct answer is the true. 100% relative humidity, wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, dew point temperatures, and saturation temperatures are equal. Correct or incorrect? So I also discussed lots of on this part 1 video also, but here I see on a psychrometric charts, okay, how it is the true. So this line is called as the 100% relative humidity line. Okay. This inclined line is wet bulb, vertical is for dry bulb, and horizontal for dew points. Okay. So suppose we consider here 25. Okay. So on a x-axis you also see this is a 25, means dry bulb is same, wet bulb is also same, and the dew point is also the same, and saturation temperature is also same. So at the relative humidity all the temperature are same. So this sentence is the correct. The wet bulb temperature at 100% relative humidity is lower, higher, or same as the dew point temperatures. So by default it is the same, because we already know that at the 100% humidity all the temperatures are same. So option A is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is correct? Constant enthalpy lines are also constant the wet bulb temperature lines. Okay, that discussion is missing during that. Okay, so constant enthalpy lines and the wet bulb temperatures line are same on a psychrometric charts. The wet bulb and dry bulb temperatures value are equal at saturation conditions. Okay, this statement is also correct. The wet bulb temperature is measured the enthalpy of moisture, and all of the above. Okay, so what is the answers? All of the above sentence are the correct, because here the wet bulb temperature is measured the enthalpy of moisture, because both line are same, so they are giving the same unit. Suppose we follow this point. Okay, from this point we are able to find out both the thing. So here we read the wet bulb temperatures and here we read the enthalpy lines. So all these statement given is the correct. The alignment circle is marked on the psychrometric charts at which conditions? So various condition is given. Now here I show you this psychrometric charts, and here you see one circle, and this make the circles and R is written. It is called as the reference point. So this reference point is given at the 26 degree dry bulb temperature. Here after 25 here 26 is there, and this relative humidity is 50%. Okay, so option B is correct, 26 dry bulb and the 50% relative humidity. For a given dry bulb temperature, as the relative humidity space, the wet bulb temperature will increase or decrease. So here I show the psychrometric charts. For given dry bulb temperature, means dry bulb temperature is constant. For that you need to draw one vertical line, and what they are changing, they are increasing the wet bulb temperatures. Okay, then we need to moving vertical line. Suppose we consider this is the point number 1. At that condition the wet bulb is 10, and we increasing the wet bulb to the 30 degree. Okay, so what is the change in relative humidity? So at that 10 degree and the 35 dry bulb, we see that the relative humidity is in between 20 to 30. Suppose it is 25, and wet bulb is increased up to 30, then relative humidity is increased up to the 80. So what is the answer? The relative humidity is increased. The wet bulb temperature will be increased. So option A is the correct answer. In lots of book, that is answer B is given correct, increase. But we need to think practically and we need to change on the given answer in this book. Low wet bulb temperatures indicate very low, high, same humidity. Answer given is the low or high. Here I show you the psychrometric charts. Okay, what the condition is given? Low wet bulb temperatures. Means here you see this is a low wet bulb temperature 5. Suppose this is a temperature 30. So low means here we coming the low wet bulb temperature is 5. At that time the humidity is low or high. So by default the wet bulb temperature is lower and the humidity is lower. Okay, that is 0.05. Wet bulb temperature is increased, then humidity is increased. So what is our answer? Answer A, it is the low. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned and liked the video, subscribe the channel, comment on the video and don't forget to share with your friend.